Organize once, enjoy forever. Lifetime home setup for seniors. Growing older brings with it the gift of wisdom and the clarity of what truly matters. And one of those essential things is comfort, the kind that starts right at home. For many seniors, home is not just a place to live. It's where memories breathe, where routines give rhythm to the day, and where safety and simplicity become more important than ever. That's why organizing your home in a way that serves you for the long term isn't just helpful, it's transformative. Picture waking up in a space that feels peaceful. Everything you need is within reach. There's no clutter weighing you down, no hidden hazards to worry about, and no constant tidying to drain your energy. That's what a lifetime home setup is all about. It's not about minimalism or perfection. It's about ease, function, and joy day after day, year after year. Let's begin with your kitchen. This is often the heart of the home, but for seniors, it must be more than just a cooking space. The layout should reduce reaching and bending. Place your most used utensils, plates, and small appliances on waist-level shelves or drawers. Swap heavy cookware for lighter alternatives. Use clear containers to easily see what's inside your pantry. Label everything in large, bold writing so there's no confusion. Drawer organizers and lazy Susans can keep things in order without extra effort. The goal is to have a kitchen that supports cooking without making it a chore. Now let's move to the bedroom. It should be a restful space, but also one where everything is accessible. Avoid underbed storage that requires bending or crouching. Instead, use drawer units or shelves that sit at arm's level. Keep only the clothes you wear regularly in your closet and donate the rest. Consider installing a small bench or seat near your bed to help with dressing. Good lighting, both ambient and focused, can help prevent accidents. Your bedroom should feel like a sanctuary. Safe, quiet, and simple. Bathrooms can be tricky, especially when mobility changes. Non-slip mats are essential. Grab bars near the toilet and inside the shower provide support without sacrificing style. Use a shower caddy or wall-mounted shelves to keep soap, shampoo, and other essentials within reach. Store extra toiletries in a labeled basket or drawer. Instead of cluttering your sink with daily items, keep only what you need in a small tray or pouch. This makes daily routines quicker and the space much easier to clean. Living areas should be cozy and clutter-free. Consider furniture with built-in storage like ottomans or coffee tables with hidden compartments. Limit decorative items to your favorites and rotate them out from time to time. Keep walkways wide and clear. This reduces the risk of trips and falls and creates a calming visual space. Remote controls, glasses, and books can go in a small basket near your favorite chair. That way, everything you use most is right there when you need it. Don't overlook the entryway. It's the first place you see when you walk in, and it sets the tone for your whole home. Add a small bench to sit while removing shoes. Use hooks for bags, hats, and light jackets. Place a tray or bowl near the door to drop your keys and mail. Keep this space open and airy. It's like taking a deep breath the moment you arrive. Organization isn't only about where things go. It's also about how you interact with your home every day. Develop gentle routines that help you maintain order without stress. For example, spend 5 minutes every morning straightening up one area. Or each evening, put away what's on your countertops. These small habits add up and become part of the natural flow of your day. Seasonal checks can also help. In spring and fall, take a walk through each room and ask yourself, do I still use this? If not, pass it along to someone who will. It's not about getting rid of everything. It's about making space for what supports you now. Memory boxes can be used to store keepsakes, letters, and photos in one safe, labeled spot. That way, your past has a place, but it doesn't crowd your present. Medications and important documents deserve their own space. Use a labeled drawer or portable file folder to organize medical records, insurance papers, and emergency contacts. For medications, try a weekly pill organizer, and store backup supplies in a bin clearly marked with the expiration dates. Keep this area out of reach of children but easy for you to access when needed. The garage or storage room is often the last frontier. Keep only what you truly use. Hang tools on pegboards, label bins clearly, and create walking paths. If lifting heavy bins becomes difficult, ask a loved one to help you sort and downsize. You'll be surprised at how freeing it feels. Finally, surround yourself with things that bring you peace. A favorite chair, a photo of a loved one, a soft blanket. These little touches aren't just decor. They're comfort anchors. As you age, the goal isn't to have a showroom-perfect home. It's to have a space that gives you energy, not takes it away. A place where everything makes sense and works for your life today. Organizing once and enjoying forever is absolutely possible. It starts with awareness, moves through small changes, and results in a home that evolves with you. It's not just about what's in your drawers or on your shelves. It's about how your space makes you feel. And when that feeling is peace, you know you've done it right. Let this be the season you make those changes. Not for perfection, but for comfort. Not for others, but for yourself. Because you deserve a home that works as beautifully as you do.